Good evening. Buenas tardes. I am Professor Robert Kirkin, Dean of the College of Science. On behalf of the faculty, staff, and especially our graduating class of students, I'd like to welcome you to the College of Science Pre-Commencement Ceremony 2022. Graduation is always a meaningful time for our students, their families, and the UTEP community. This day represents all of the hard work that the students have persevered through, the challenging courses, the late night study groups, the working in the lab for hours on end, and especially those projects that required a huge amount of time and effort. Moreover, many of you were working and managed to do both, and it's really an amazing effort. And if this weren't, of course, challenging enough, you did this through COVID, which you all deserve special recognition for, because that makes, I think, the education so much more challenging, and you guys persevered. For some of you, perhaps nearly half of your experience here of this class of students spent COVID and learning virtually, which is amazing. However, we're so happy that your senior year and commencement this Saturday that you'll be able to do this face-to-face and be in person. And I can tell you from back here, it's great to see a wonderful crowd this evening and all of us getting back to normal. This college is so very proud to have been a part of the student's journey, and we're very excited about where you will go next. This evening, we're honored that all of you were able to attend the ceremony and celebrate just some of the wonderful accomplishments of our students within the College of Science. Before we begin these festivities, I would first like to introduce members of the stage party. I will ask them to stand, and if you could please hold your applause until all of them have been announced and introduced. Associate Dean for Curriculum and Programs, Dr. Nancy Marcus. Associate Dean for Student Success, Dr. Christine Garza. Associate Dean for Research, Dr. Michael Kenny. Associate Dean for Faculty Mentoring and Development, Dr. Deanna Pennington. Associate Chair of the Department of Biological Sciences, Dr. Charles Spencer. Chair of the Department of Chemistry and Biochemistry, Dr. Carlos Cabrera. Chair of the Department of Earth, Environmental and Resource Sciences, Dr. James Kubicki. Chair of the Department of Mathematical Sciences, Dr. Christina Mariani. Chair of the Department of Physics, Dr. Mark Peterson. Director of the Bioinformatics and Computational Science Program, Dr. Mingying Liu. And Director of the Master of Arts in Teaching Science, Dr. Kian Han. Let's give them a round of applause. I would also like to take this opportunity to recognize the outstanding professional staff and student assistants that help with tonight's event, and for all they continue to do to support our college, our faculty, and our students on the day-to-day operations. Would all of you also please stand and accept our most sincere thanks as well. Thank you very much, staff and students. I think, as many of you can appreciate, outstanding faculty are the heart of any great institution or university. And one of the highest priorities has been the recruitment, the development, the retention of quality, top-notch faculty, whose excellence in both research and teaching serves as a powerful inspiration to our students. They are the ones that create the access and excellence that UTEP is known for. They are also the same faculty that got us through COVID as well. If many of you recall, it was spring break in 2020. We were face-to-face the week before. After spring break, when we had to come back, everything went virtual. The faculty did an amazing job to be able to convert those programs from that face-to-face environment to the virtual environment. And what I think is most impressive is they managed to keep student education strong and successful. They managed to continue to do scholarly work, publish manuscripts, and still secure millions of dollars in research funding. It has been my pleasure to work with them and support them not only through that period of time, but pre and post-COVID. Therefore, I'd like to take this moment to pay special tribute to our truly outstanding faculty who have served as mentors to these graduates and is reflected in the successes we will be celebrating this evening. Please join me in asking our faculty to receive our acknowledgement and appreciation. Will the faculty please stand as well? Tonight is also special because we're here to recognize a new generation of scientists, mathematicians, and educators that will go forth in this world and do great things. They will have received the knowledge, the skills to be acutely competitive in the global economy, and their degrees will help them open and walk through many doors of opportunity. This evening, we recognize and honor our students. That includes 290 students that are candidates for the baccalaureate degree, 27 candidates for the master's degree, and 16 candidates for the doctoral degree. Tonight we celebrate the accomplishments of these students, but we must also recognize those who celebrate with them and help them in their pursuit of this very important achievement. The parents, the grandparents, the spouse, the partners, the friends, who encouraged, supported, and sometimes made significant sacrifices in order to help our students achieve this goal. I therefore ask all of you, the family members and friends of the graduates, to please stand and accept our acknowledgement for all you have done to make this possible for them. Please. Thank you. Please be seated. We are now pleased to honor our graduates. It's customary that our PhD candidates be hooded at the commencement ceremony each Saturday night at the Don Haskins Center. But this evening, we wish to acknowledge them as well as their mentors. Will the faculty mentors and the candidates for the PhD degree please come to the stage so that we may acknowledge you? Dr. Garza, will you please join me at the podium for the reading of the names? Okay, I guess I could tell a few jokes, but they're academic jokes, so they're really not that funny, actually. So while we're waiting for the PhD graduates to come to the stage, I would just also like to tell you a little bit about the COVID-19 here at UTEP. And what was really amazing about this experience, I think, was how really the faculty and the staff came together. For those of you that may not know, UTEP had implemented a COVID-19 testing station. They implemented vaccine stations, and this was all carried out by UTEP faculty, staff, and students. At the end of the day, we immunized literally tens of thousands of the employees and students here on the campus. We ran more than 70,000 tests, PCR-based tests for detection of COVID. And I think what was one of the amazing things, again, was how UTEP used its faculty, its staff, the expertise, the resources, and the amazing infrastructure that we have here on our campus to be able to do our part to protect the city, our students, and especially all of those that were working here on campus. So for all of them, I'd also like to have you please give another round of applause for all those folks that really did amazing work to protect El Paso.
I'd like to introduce Dr. Jordi Al-Rawat. She has earned her doctorate in chemistry, and her research mentor is Dr. Mahesh Narayan. He is not able to join us, so Dr. Ricardo Bernal is standing with her. Her dissertation research focused on developing novel drugs and drug carriers with the potential to slow down, halt, and ideally reverse the course of neurodegenerative diseases. Following graduation, Dr. Al-Rawat will be working at IQ Biosciences as a level 1 scientist. Please help me congratulating Dr. Al-Rawat. I introduce Dr. Mariah Acuna, who has earned her doctorate in biosciences. Her research mentor is Dr. Herman Rosas Acosta. Her dissertation research focused on the regulation of the cellular protein involved in modifying cell behavior. A better understanding of this process can be applied to improving human health outcomes. Please help me congratulating Dr. Acuna. I introduce Dr. Brian Grajeda. He has earned a doctorate in biosciences. His research mentor is Dr. Siddhartha Das. Dr. Grajeda's dissertation research focused on repurposing FDA-approved drugs for the treatment of intestinal parasites. Following graduation, Dr. Grajeda will be conducting a postdoctoral fellowship with Dr. Saurav Roy, working on the prevention and treatment of colorectal cancer. Please help me in congratulating Dr. Grajeda. I introduce Dr. Bianca Holguin. She has earned a doctorate in chemistry. Her research mentor is Dr. Ricardo Bernal. Her dissertation work focused on genetic mutations of a protein that's known to be involved in neurodegenerative disorders, so as to better understand the molecular pathway of disease progression. Following graduation, Dr. Holguin will be working at a medical diagnostic laboratory here in El Paso, which she and a fellow graduate student I introduce Dr. Alejandro Rodriguez. He has earned a doctorate in chemistry. His research mentor is Dr. Ricardo Bernal. Dr. Rodriguez's work studied the structure of two different proteins, one from humans and the other from HIV, to better understand their function and architecture. The information discovered will help to better design treatments for diseases that are associated with these proteins. Please help me in congratulating Dr. Rodriguez. These two doctoral candidates are married to each other. FYI. I introduce Dr. Hamed Tavakoli, who has earned a doctorate in chemistry. His advisor is Dr. Lin Li, who was unable to join us, so Dr. Cabral is standing in. Dr. Tavakoli's work focused on the making of microfluidic devices, specifically for the use of disease diagnosis. Following graduation, he will continue his dissertation work as a postdoctoral fellow with Dr. Lee. Please help me in congratulating Dr. Tavakoli. I apologize, the previous doctor, actually the mentor was Dr. James Lee, not Dr. Lin Lee. My apologies. I introduced Dr. Sinsi Si. She earned her doctorate in computational sciences. Her research mentor is Dr. Lin Lee. This is Dr. Lin Lee. Her dissertation research applied computational approaches to evaluate the differences in the biological molecules between the avian flu virus and the virus that causes COVID, to better understand how viruses attack the human body. Following graduation, Dr. Z will be traveling the world. Please help me in congratulating Dr. C.
Let's give another round of applause for our doctoral PhD candidates. We are now pleased to recognize the student candidates for the Master of Science degree who will be hooded by their faculty mentors. Glad to see the faculty and the students are lined up. I would like to ask Mr. Frank Montes de Oca to join me at the podium for the reading of the names.
Valerie Arteaga Muniz, Master of Science in Physics, accompanied by her mentor, Ramon Ravelo. She is also the College of Science Graduate Marshal of Students. Karma Dema, Master of Science in Physics, accompanied by her mentor, Dr. Mark Peterson. Axel Hidalgo, Master of Science in Bioinformatics, accompanied by his mentor, Dr. Ming Ying Lung. Hector Iturriaga, Master of Science in Physics, accompanied by his mentor, Dr. Srinivasa Rao Chengamengani. Rubianne Olmos, Master of Science in Physics, accompanied by her mentor, Dr. Srinivasa Rao Sengamengani. Ula Kusam, Master of Science in Mathematics, accompanied by her mentor, Dr. Natasha Sharma. Jason Sanchez, Master of Science in Computational Science, accompanied by mentor Dr. Natasha Sharma. Joshua Lewis, Master of Science in Geology, accompanied by his mentor, Dr. Mark Engel. Martha Gardea Gomez, Master of Science in Environmental Science, accompanied by mentor Dr. Mark Engel. Alan Lopez Hernandez, Master of Science in Computational Science, accompanied by mentor Dr. Lin Lee. Saira Mather, Master of Science in Mathematics, accompanied by mentor Dr. Xiani Song. Homero Reyes, Master of Science in Physics, accompanied by mentor Jorge Alberto Muñoz, Jr.
How about one more round of applause for our master's students? We will now recognize the candidates for the Bachelor Science degree. If you have not received an index card, please see Margie Gutierrez in the front of the auditorium. Honors undergraduates are recognized for their academic achievement with chords reflecting the grade point average. Students graduating cum laude 3.5 GPA will receive yellow chords for honors. Students graduating magna cum laude 3.8 GPA will receive white chords for honors. And students graduating summa cum laude 3.9 GPA or better will receive gold chords as a symbol of the highest honors. But it gets better. This semester, this graduating class, 52% of our students are graduating with honors, which is an incredible number. With 52% graduating with a 3.5 GPA or higher, 86 cum laude, 32 magna cum laude, and of course the highest, 34, will graduate summa cum laude, which is really impressive. I'll ask Frank Montes de Oca to rejoin me at the podium for the reading of the names.
Amanda Rodela, Bachelor of Science, Forensic Science. Giovanni del Campo, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, cum laude. Ariana Lezama, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science. Yameli Gomez, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science. Sofia Villegas, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science. Eric Orozco, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science. Lindsay Marquez, Bachelor of Science, Ecology and Evolutionary Biology. Ham Tsering, Bachelor of Science, Chemistry, magna cum laude. Lawan Dorji, Bachelor of Science, Physics, cum laude. Juan Mata, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, summa cum laude. Eric Ricker, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, summa cum laude. Leonid Levsov, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science. Maricela Sanchez, Bachelor of Science, Mathematics, cum laude. Ashley Rodriguez, Bachelor of Science, Mathematics, magna cum laude. Pema Thendup, Bachelor of Science, Physics, magna cum laude, honors degree. Ricardo Isaac, Bachelor of Science, Mathematics, cum laude. Kelsang Jigme, Bachelor of Science, Mathematics, summa cum laude, honors degree. Hania Mendoza, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science. Luis Calderon, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, cum laude. Brian Chavez, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, cum laude. Christian Leach, Bachelor of Science, Environmental Science, cum laude. Gerald Strenke, Bachelor of Science, Environmental Science, magna cum laude, honors degree. Vianney Vale, Bachelor of Science, Forensic Science. Karina Bañuelos, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, cum laude. Bella Matabfar, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, magna cum laude, honors degree. Paulina Torres, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, summa cum laude. Jonathan Tipple, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, summa cum laude. Raimundo Aragones, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, cum laude. Aaron Ortiz, Bachelor of Science, Mathematics, cum laude. Saul Caldera, Bachelor of Science, Mathematics. Pedro Garcia, Bachelor of Science, Mathematics, ADP Mast Academy Scholar. Michelle Ramirez, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, ADP Mast Academy Scholar. Melissa Dominguez, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, cum laude, ADP Mast Academy Scholar. Daniel Baez, Bachelor of Science, Chemistry, cum laude, ADP Mast Academy Scholar. Dili Acharya, Bachelor of Science, Mathematics. Eduardo Moreno, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, cum laude, ADP Mast Academy Scholar. Citlali Reyes, Bachelor of Science, Mathematics, summa cum laude, ADP Mast Academy Scholar. Kayla Foster, Bachelor of Science, Mathematics, magna cum laude, ADP Mast Academy Scholar. Jose Gaxiola Valenzuela, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, ADP Mast Academy Scholar. Jeremiah Davis Bell, Bachelor of Science, Biochemistry. Trisha Tellez, Bachelor of Science, Environmental Science, magna cum laude, honors degree. Alyssa Lopez, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, cum laude. Viviana Vidales, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, cum laude. Eric Diaz, Bachelor of Science, Mathematics. Helena Ostos, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, summa cum laude. Carolina Quintana, Bachelor of Science, Physics, cum laude. America Alvidrez Camacho, Bachelor of Science, Cellular and Molecular Biochemistry, cum laude, honors degree. Magali Escobedo, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science. Brenda Estrada, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science. Carla Canales, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, cum laude, honors degree. Valeria Cruz, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science. Nayeli Herrera, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science. Joanna Hernandez, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science. Victoria Ramirez, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science. Valerie Grisanti, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, magna cum laude, honors degree. Ruben Lara, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, cum laude. Ana Flores, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science. Ezequiel Contreras, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, magna cum laude. Andre Mata, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science. Christopher Allen, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, summa cum laude, honors degree. Cristina Guerena, Bachelor of Science, Cellular and Molecular Biochemistry, summa cum laude, honors degree. Aparna Mangadu, Bachelor of Science, Environmental Science, summa cum laude, honors degree. David Suarez, Bachelor of Science, Cellular and Molecular Biochemistry. Adam Campos, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, summa cum laude, UTEP banner bearer. Benjamin Viescas, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, cum laude. Alan Lizarraga Lujan, Bachelor of Arts, Biology, cum laude. Samantha Sanchez, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, summa cum laude. Lourdes Jimenez Madrigal, Bachelor of Science, Biochemistry, cum laude, honors degree. Gabriela Acuña, Bachelor of Science, Mathematics, magna cum laude. Arlene Levario, Bachelor of Science, Biochemistry, cum laude, honors degree. Azul Silveira, Bachelor of Science, Biochemistry, summa cum laude, honors degree. Joanne Gluth, Bachelor of Science, Neuroscience, magna cum laude. Sichuan Pan, Bachelor of Science, Biochemistry, cum laude. Miguel Padilla, Bachelor of Science, Mathematics, magna cum laude. Bruce Jordan, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, cum laude. John Melby, Bachelor of Science, Biochemistry. Eric De Leon, Bachelor of Science, Mathematics, magna cum laude. Annie Johnson, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, summa cum laude. Camille Garcia, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, summa cum laude, honors degree. Sonam Choden, Bachelor of Science, Chemistry, magna cum laude, honors degree. Kinley Wangamo, Bachelor of Science, Physics, magna cum laude, honors degree. Gracia Trujillo, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, magna cum laude. Alyssa Guerrero, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, cum laude. Paola Garcia Hernandez, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, summa cum laude, honors degree, College of Science, undergraduate Marshal of Students. Layli Safabakish, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, summa cum laude. Noelia Mendoza, Bachelor of Science, Forensic Science, summa cum laude. Luz Consuelo Gabaldon, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, cum laude. Chelsea Cabral, Bachelor of Science, Biochemistry, magna cum laude, honors degree. Monique Arellano, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, cum laude, honors degree. Jacqueline Zuloaga, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, cum laude. Denise Nevares, Bachelor of Science, Neuroscience, cum laude. Cynthia Gonzalez, Bachelor of Science, Forensic Science, cum laude. Samantha Garcia, Bachelor of Science, Cellular and Molecular Biochemistry, magna cum laude, honors degree. Adam Alvarez, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, cum laude. Melissa Torres, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, magna cum laude. Evelyn Sanchez, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, magna cum laude. Kayla Ragland, Bachelor of Science, Mathematics. Alexa Pizarro, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, cum laude. Miranda, Bachelor of Science, Environmental Science, with a focus on chemistry, cum laude. Misael Aguirre, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, magna cum laude, honors degree. Carol Brito, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, magna cum laude. Samantha Sakles, Bachelor of Science, Cellular and Molecular Biochemistry, summa cum laude, honors degree. Karina Serna, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, summa cum laude. Rebecca Hightower, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, cum laude, honors degree. Sofia Terrazas, Bachelor of Science, Geophysics. Diego Ariza Barba, Bachelor of Science, Physics, summa cum laude, honors degree. Raúl Olivas, Bachelor of Science, Microbiology. Mariah La Rosa, Bachelor of Science, Mathematics. Francesca Polici, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, cum laude. Sidney Dan Edgar Salvosa, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, magna cum laude. Carelli Valdez, Bachelor of Science, Cellular and Molecular Biochemistry, cum laude. Reisa Guevara, Bachelor of Science, Forensic Science, cum laude, honors degree. Mia Chan, Bachelor of Science, Microbiology, cum laude, honors degree. Perla Gonzalez, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, cum laude. Diana de la Cruz, Bachelor of Science, Microbiology. Victoria Martinez, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science. Andrew Aguilar, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science. Autumn Rain Nunez, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science. Ariana Dominguez, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science. Nicholas Enriquez, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science. Priscilla Aguilar, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science. Isabella Liano, Bachelor of Science, Neuroscience, cum laude. Luisa Delgado, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, cum laude. Rebecca Orozco Sepulveda, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, summa cum laude, honors degree. Frida Delgadillo, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, cum laude. Brian Arellanes, Bachelor of Science, Biological Science, summa cum laude, honors degree. Are there any candidates for the Bachelor of Science degree whose name I did not call? If so, please come forward at this time. Thank you.
I never saw so many cords in all my life. I think if I didn't know how much work it was to get one of those, I would swear they were having a sale out back, buy two, get four free or something. But no, congratulations, really impressive, guys. Amazing sets of accomplishments. At this point, we'll now have the presentation of our college and departmental awards, beginning with the college. Our first college award is for Best Dissertation, which goes to Dr. Yichin Yi. His major professor is Dr. Lin Li for the program in Computational Sciences. Can you please come forward and accept this award? Thank you. And the next college award for Best Thesis goes to Mr. Alan Lopez Hernandez, and his major professor is Dr. Lin Li from Computational Sciences. The university awards the top 10 seniors for each academic year. The top 10 senior awards are presented annually by the UTEP Alumni Association to UTEP's most promising future alumni. Graduating or recent graduates are evaluated on a combination of academic achievement, involvement, leadership, and service both in the community as well as on the campus. It is also about the impression they have made on others during their time at UTEP. This award reflects the true spirit of what it means to be both an outstanding student and a proud minor. This year, the College of Science had 4 top 10 seniors. The university only has 6 colleges and 2 schools, so we have bragging rights at this point for 4 of the top 10 here within the College of Science. And for that, we'd like to honor those. If you top 10 seniors are here, can you please come forward? And the top 10 seniors are Adam Campos, Jordan Seth Dominguez, Camille Ariana Garcia, and Paulo Garcia Hernandez. Okay, please We will now have the presentation of departmental awards to outstanding students by their chairs or directors of their respective departments and programs. I will now ask each department person to join me at the podium when they are called upon. We'll begin with the Department of Biological Sciences, Associate Chair Dr. Charles Spencer.
The Departmental Award for the Academic and Research Excellence in an Undergraduate Student in Biomedical Sciences is awarded to Christina Guerrera. The Departmental Award for Academic and Research Excellence for an undergraduate student in cellular and molecular biochemistry is awarded to Samantha Sikelis. Departmental Award in Academic and Research Excellence for a graduate student in biological science is awarded to Austin Roy.
Now from the Department of Chemistry and Biochemistry, Dr. Carlos Cabrera will present his awards.
For the Academic and Research Excellence Graduate Student in Chemistry, award goes to Yoti Al-Rawat. Academic and Research Excellence Undergraduate Student in Biochemistry, award goes to Samantha Garcia. And the Academic and Research Excellence for Undergraduate Student in Forensic Science, award goes to Noelia Mendoza.
From the Department of Earth, Environmental, and Earth Sciences. That's not bad. Yes. Jim Kubicki.
Good evening, everyone. The first award that I have to give out tonight is for the Outstanding Graduating Senior in Environmental Science, and that award goes to Gerald Stranke. Our next award this evening goes to the Outstanding Graduate Student in Environmental Science, and that goes to Martha Gardea. Up next is our Outstanding Graduate Student in Geology, and that will go to Joshua Lewis. And our last award is to our Outstanding Graduate Student in Geophysics, which would be awarded to Derek Scott. I don't think Derek is with us tonight.
From the Department of Mathematical Sciences, Dr. Christina Mariani.
Good evening, buenas noches. I'm very happy and proud to introduce the outstanding graduates from our department. The first award is the Academic and Research Excellence for an undergraduate student in mathematics, and it goes to Kelsan Sigmund. The second award is the Academic and Research Excellence for a graduate student in mathematics, and it goes to Ola Kousan. And the last award is the Academic and Research Excellence Award for a graduate student in statistics, and it goes to Denise Surenda.
Now from the Department of Physics, Dr. Mark Peterson.
Good evening. The first award for academic and research excellence for an undergraduate student in physics goes to Diego Ariza Barla. And our second award for academic and research excellence for a graduate student in physics goes to Karma Dema.
Now from the Forensic Science Program, Dr. Nets, no, we already did Forensic Science, okay. Bioinformatics and Computational Sciences, Dr. Mingying Leung.
Good evening, everyone. I'm very happy to present the Academic and Research Excellence Award to the Bioinformatics student, Axel Hidalgo. It is also my great pleasure to present the Academic and Research Excellence Award to Computational Science student Mohammed Mahmoudul Hassan.
And for the Master of Arts in Teaching Science, Dr. Kay Han.
Hi. It's my honor and joy to name Aaron Esparza for the Academic and Research Excellence Award in Master of Arts, Teaching and Science. He is a high school teacher. He is still at work, but I think he can hear our cheers, so please throw it to him.
So let's give all of our award recipients one more round of applause. Congratulations. Before we close this evening, I would like to recognize a special member of our stage party. Professor of Mathematical Sciences, Associate Dean of Science, Dr. Nancy Marcus. Nancy, will you please stand, please? Dr. Marcus grew up here in El Paso. She obtained her Bachelor's of Science degree in Mathematics from then Texas Western, her Master's of Science in Mathematics from UTEP, and her PhD from NMSU. She began teaching here in 1976 and has really taught, mentored, and effectively advised thousands of students. Dr. Marcus will retire at the end of this month after an incredible 46 years of service to UTEP. And besides loving to be part of all the attention, she also has been an innovator, a strategic planner for the College of Science, and really helped us develop so many of our programs. So she will be sorely missed, and I would have swore she still had another 20 years. I don't understand this early retirement. But she's going to be greatly missed, but she's been incredible, amazing, and is such a strong supporter of our students. I can't thank her enough. Thank you, Dr. Marcus. This concludes the formal portion of the program. I'd like to ask the parents and friends of our graduates to please remain seated until all the faculty and students have exited the auditorium. I kindly ask that the faculty follow the stage party, followed by our graduates. As a reminder, the university commencement, where degrees will be conferred, is this Saturday, May 14th at 6 p.m. at the Don Haskins Center. Our students should assemble at 4 p.m. in the Memorial Gym. So again, congratulations to all of our graduates. Thank you for coming. Have a good night. Buenas noches. And of course, go Miners.